Hello, grade 4. Teacher Jem is back, and today we are going to finish our second lesson. To finish off our lesson today, we're going to talk about the world's and Philippines' elements of climate. Do you know how many elements of climate do we have here in the Philippines? Let's find out. If you answered 6, your answer is correct. There are six elements that characterize climate: temperature, precipitation, air pressure, wind, humidity, and cloudiness. Since ancient times, these six elements have influenced us greatly in major aspects of our lives, including the clothes we wear, the types of houses we build, the conditions of our local environment, the livelihood activities we undertake, and the conditions in our places of work. Throughout the world and among diverse cultures, people have adopted various strategies to cope with these elements of climate. Indigenous peoples are often better able to adjust to colder or hotter temperatures. Let's look into the definition of the elements of climate. Temperature, degree of hotness or coldness of a place. Precipitation, this is formation of rain, snow, or hail from moisture in the air. Air pressure, downward pressure exerted by the weight of overlying atmosphere. Wind, this is air moving across the surface of the earth at a speed fast enough for it to be noticed. Humidity, measure of the water vapor content in the air. Humidity in the Philippines is very high because of the large amount of rainfall, evaporation from the seas, and rich vegetation. And last element of climate is cloudiness. This is the amount of clouds in the sky. Now, can you tell us why is it important to know the world's and Philippines weather and climate? Yes, no, maybe, why? Knowing the country's weather and climate is very significant for various reasons. It depends on the clothes we wear, the types of houses we build, the conditions of our local environment, and the livelihood activities that one should take, and also the conditions in our places of work. One element that we should also take into consideration is precipitation and rainfall. We have to know its importance because it is where our basic and economic needs depend. The plant life and the animal life, wherein they get to survive because of the amount of rainfall. It also adds fresh water to our reservoir for drinking supplies, and dams and canals for irrigation in agriculture are well supplied. To make this lesson more exciting, let us do a simple performance task. Today, you will become a weather forecast reporter. Choose which weather forecast from either June or July 2020 would you like to share. Video must not be less than 2 minutes. You are to wear decent civilian attire, and I will give you an option to create recycled props like microphone, colored map, stick, or etc. It's up to you how to become creative, and if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, I will address it to you once you type them to the comment box below. Thank you so much, grade 4. God bless.